Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
Yes, today again there was a hearing which was a follow-up from yesterday's hearing where affidavits were ordered from some of the officers. Today the SDPO, the CRZ officer, as well as I think the Talati and the Mamladar, they have all filed their affidavits of what had transpired on 17th and what action they had done so far. So these affidavits are there before the court. We don't have access to it because it is also part of the investigation. But a lot of new material has come before the court today in the form of affidavits of officers.
हायकोर्टान दिल्ले निर्देश मांद्रे पुलिसां मेरेन पावपाक एसडीपीओन कळाव केल्ल्याचें कोर्टाचें निरीक्षण. मजगतीं एसडीपीओ आयपीएस अधिकारी श्रीदेवी BV हांणी आपल्या कडेन दिवचलेचो एसडीपीओ म्हूण चार्ज आसा आनी पेडणेचो अतिरिक्त चार्ज आशिल्ल्यान कळाव जालो. तिणें खंय पेडणे पुलिसाच्या क्लार्काक तोंडी सांगिल्लें. क्लार्कान खंय धाडला म्हूण सांगून मिसलीड केल्या म्हूण कळाव जालो अशें तिणें कोर्टाक सांगलां.
But yes, there were observations that there have been serious lapses right from the time the Honorable High Court passed the order on 8th of July, leading to the assault incident on 17th of July. So a lot of explanation has been called forth on with regards to these lapses which the court has noticed. After yesterday's order, the investigation has been now transferred to the PI of Kolwale police station, and we have seen some progress in the investigation, and one good development was with the request which we had made yesterday that the whole incident is a pre-planned attack, it's an assault and it's like an attempt to murder. The investigating officers have today charged them with section 109, which is an attempt to murder, and on the basis of that now the entire investigation is proceeding, and the Honorable High Court has of course said we are not going to interfere in the investigation. That's part of the new PI to take charge of the investigation.
Investigation घेतला as per the order of SP.
हायकोर्टान सुनावणी बुधवारा धुकल्ल्या. कळाव करपी अधिकाऱ्याचेर घाळपणा केल्ल्याचे रीतसर कारवाई करची म्हूण निर्देश. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.